Alright, I just finished up Mr. Belgian block. And here comes Mr. Belgian block 2. This is actually one of my favorite driveways. It's a pretty big driveway. It's concrete. The guy is super nice, never complains about anything, always wants me to take care of him no matter what. Like the other day when we had just a little bit of slushy garbage. Hey Mike, can you come over and take care of it? Yeah, sure, no problem. Clean you up. There we go. Right down the hump. Right down the hump from the township plows. This big hump they made here really made a mess. I'll try to back drag a little bit out. Again, I don't want to get too much snow underneath the tires. So just come over this hump, drop the plow, back drag it out, just find something I can get in. That's it. That's enough. Alright, so that should have given a pretty decent shot of what the house looked like when it was all snow covered. And again, I don't think we want hours and hours on YouTube of snowplow videos, so let me just get one shot of backing up here. This would be good to have a back shot of this, because I gotta come all the way in. I basically come right into his living room with the back of my truck, right up against the window. That's it. And again, I'm not gonna worry about side to side. Just push the first one out. See, it's all snow underneath. I'm slipping. Now I got pavement. In this case, concrete. Take out this big chunk that I see here. Bam, bam, bam. Alright, I'll come back to this job. So this driveway requires a lot of back dragging. I got to put the blade right up to the garage doors here, drag it out, try to back up, get behind it. Right on there. Back drag some of that out. And remember, when I'm back dragging this out, I'm putting snow underneath the truck. So that runs the risk of getting stuck. So what I do, I'll do it as far as I think the truck could handle, which is getting close to the limits, and then I'll back in, get behind everything, and get it out of here, which I'm about to do after this sweep. That's about all the room I have to move behind me. Take one more out, and then of course whatever I can't back drag out, I'll just push here. That's it. Just gonna pick this up forward. Just clean this little bit up. See, I got the bulk off of the main strip of the driveway. That's easy. It's coming in and back dragging all this stuff and driving over it and back dragging and packs it down.